Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ZM Zoom. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, after the dust has settled, have some very well-defined areas here headed into Friday. And I say well-defined because I'm not trying to come across like these annotations that I'm about to put on the chart require some sort of special skill that I have, or that these are some sort of mind-boggling discovery. No, the exact opposite. I assure you, people that use charts and understand charts are watching these levels. And I bring all that up because when a lot of people are watching the same levels and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can definitely produce some very dynamic movements. And that's what we have with a couple of these areas. So the first level is going to be one of these zones that every breakout player and their brother's uncle is going to be watching. And that's this area right here at 525. Now, no guarantees exist, but my core point here is that it's a more than valid, it's a more than rational thought to have that if the price gets up to 525 and can break up through it, that very well could create some good upside buying pressure. Once again, not guaranteed to happen, but a rational thought to have. So again, watch 525 very, very closely. In the event 525 is actually broken, next key level to watch from the resistance side of things would then be right up there at 531. Now, as far as areas of support, same exact premise. A lot of people are going to be watching that pink line right there, which on my chart denotes the very well-known, the very famous 200 period moving average, and same exact thing holds true. If the price were to come down here and then break down through that line, while not guaranteed, that break could very well produce quite a bit of downside selling pressure. So that's going to be an area that a lot of shorts will be interested in moving forward. So keep an eye on that very closely also. But all in all, really like the setup here headed into Friday. Very well-defined levels. Now it's just a question of, which way does the price ultimately want to break relative to these levels. So let's see how things play out on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.